All right, so I told you I was going to bring you along here. I basically took out this track lighting. This is how it connects to the track. And these are the lights. Not sure, I think they might be LED, but I can't remember. I installed these things like 5 years ago. They've been great. It's Lithonia. Yeah, right there, LED 27K. So, but I was tired of the track lighting. I wanted to go with those new LED can look lights. So I'm gonna show you those now. All right, so I basically had this type of system right here where you have one fixture and then you can put multiple LED lights on it. And I had that fixture above my kitchen sink. So I wanted to run some crown molding, but the track lighting was going across from one side and going underneath the cabinet, so it was in the way. So I had this one fixture with that track lighting on it, and you can kind of see the hole over there where there's another support for the track lighting. And so what I did is I ran one light there, and then I put another light there, and then I ran them back to here. And so I had 2 of those LED spotlights shining down, and now I have 3, and I may add a 4th over here, but for now we're just gonna put this one up. And seeing as those ones were 27, I've set these to 35K, so we're gonna see what those look like. We can always set it down to 27. They are adjustable to 27. So let's put them at 35. 5, 4, 35. Okay. Then we'll drop them down to 27. If that's what the old lights were, they look pretty good at 27. I didn't know. Figured we'd try this. Let's go turn on the power. See how they look. That's the 27. I'm sure that's 35. That's 35. So I think what I'll do is I'll change these down to 27 and see how they look.